Let's dig into Enter Sandman, the verse. We start out with an E power chord. I play it by pushing down 2nd fret A string and playing the open E string. Having a truly distorted sound there with not that much of mids, but pretty much bass and treble there, so you have this very aggressive and chunky sound. You play that chord, let it ring, and then you start with a muted E string. Only the E string. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You do that 5 times. Then you play F power chord. 1st fret E string, 3rd fret A string. And then we play 7 times the muted E string. Do that with the 5 times, 7 times, 7 times. Then we come to the G power chord, 3rd fret and 5th fret of the E and A string. You play that open, and then so G, then muted E string, open E string, F sharp power chord, sorry, G, E, F sharp, E, F sharp, and then G, F sharp with a slide, and then from the top. This was the first round. Now the second round starts the same. The ending is slightly different. So second round is E again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. F. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. F. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. G. E. F sharp. E. F sharp. G again, and then open E string at the end. Only the first G power chord is not muted, but the rest is muted. And then we go to the pre-chorus. Second fret E string, then 4th fret D string, so you have to jump over the A string. And this D string is muted at that point. And I do that with the palm of my hand, the picking hand. And then 2, 2nd fret G string, and then 3rd fret, 2nd fret of the A string. You do that 4 times. So the whole thing.